long sigh because they only had this one version out. Like, this was the last album, and I did not know there were this many onces where I live, because where is everyone? I've never met a once in Utah before, so I don't know why all the albums were sold out, but they only had this one version out, and I was too scared to ask the workers for a different version. Well, for the other 3 versions, so I'm gonna go to the next closest Target, which is 30 minutes away, but it's okay. It's okay, all for twice. But another thing is they just stuffed the pre-order photo cards in there. Like, it's for absolutely no reason they did that. But okay, on to the next Target. Second Target. The second Target only had 2 other versions, so I have to make one last stop, and if the last Target doesn't have it, I think I might cry. I really will cry. But anyways, one more stop, like 20 minutes away. Let's go. Okay, 3 Targets and 2.5 hours later, I'm finally home with all 4 versions. That was an experience, but that does not beat the time I had to go to like 5 different Targets for Super M's first album to find Baekhyun's version. So this was honestly nothing compared to that, but it's gonna have to be like a speed round unboxing because I have to leave for work in like 20 minutes. So yeah, let's just get right into it, starting with this version. And we'll do this one, the pre-order benefits, the photo cards. I did see these already on Twitter, so I know what these look like, but they're so pretty. The one good thing about TWICE albums is that they give you so many photo cards. And out of TWICE, I do collect, oh my god, not Mina, but Mina wants me to. Look at her, she's gorgeous. I collect Chaeyoung in TWICE, the love of my life. Nice, I really like this concept. If they were my science teachers, maybe I would like science a little better. But anyways, yes, the Target, ooh, I just hit my phone. Okay, the Target edition, it comes with, I do not remember. Ruler postcard, yeah, okay. They always have a lot of inclusions. Okay, I see them. I don't want to see them before, okay. Oh, there's is that the ruler postcard? Yeah, okay. And I'm pretty sure this is a member poster, as always. We'll just open this one, because I'm curious. Oh, it's not a member poster. It is a group poster. Nice, nice. Okay, let's get into the... Why? My phone keeps, like, tilting. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Okay. And I know there's, like, a member something in here. I know it's not a member CD anymore. Yeah. Not a member CD plate, but that is a nice CD. That's really pretty. I think it was like a member first page, maybe? I do not remember. I do not remember what it was. Oh, okay, well, Momo, nice. First poll, Momo. I do not like how this opens up. I think it's really hard to film this way if it opens up. Let me readjust. Okay, it's just gonna have to be at a weird angle. I cannot figure out how to do this. But Nyan, oh my god. I think Nyan really came hard for me on this comeback. Especially like this concept, she suits it really well. Like, oh my god. She's incredible. She's, oh my god. And then Miss Junghyun. I'm so glad she was at least able to participate in this comeback a little bit, even though she won't be able to perform with them. It's nice to just still see her, you know? It's Sana, who now has purple hair. Oh my god. I feel like this is not working very well. Like, it's just... I honestly thought it opened like this. Like, this way, not up. I'm not a fan of albums that open up like this. I guess they kind of had to make it... Oh, okay, I can kind of see what they were doing. Like, to make it like a notebook, since they're scientists. That makes sense. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, Momo. I remember... Well, not that I remember, but like after... I've been a fan of TWICE for like 5 years now, and it's still like I never thought I'd be able to like go to Target and buy their album, you know? So it's still kind of surreal to be able to do this. Like on the very first day that their album comes out, to be able to get it. It's really nice that it comes with the pre-order benefits too. The glare. This is such a terrible unboxing already. Yeah, see what I mean? Like, they wanted to make it like a notebook. It looks cool. Oh my god, not now. Not these three. Chaeyoung, the love of my life. Mina, my biggest issue. And Jihyo, also my biggest issue. Nice. They're coming for me this one. They're coming for me this comeback. Oh my god. She is so gorgeous. I don't think she's real, honestly. And Mina, I don't even want to get started on Mina. I don't know what happened. I don't know when I decided that I might also want to ult Mina, but I think it was like 2019. And oh my god, of course she's the last one they're gonna show. Oh my god. She's so cute. And the credits, and then stickers. Oh, and this is the member thing. Oh, we got Junghyun! Yeah! Nice. I don't like collecting these, but getting Chaeyoung for at least one would be nice. Okay, so there's that, the stickers. Momo that popped out. Okay, and we'll save the Target exclusive for the last part. But let's get into these. Oh, it's like a card. That's cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. My hands are shaking. Look at her. Okay, Sana. Oh, no, shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up. We'll save that one for last. Okay. Oh my god. She's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we don't have any Chaeyoung. Oh my god, Nayeon. Oh, they're not doing their colors anymore. Jihyo. Nayeon again. Oh my god. This look especially. Oh my god. Okay, and there's another card. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my god. Are we supposed to get two? Are we supposed to get two in one album? I don't know. I feel like it's kind of weird to get two. Especially because, like, this doesn't go with this version. I'm not gonna complain. We'll see. Okay, then we have this Chaeyoung. Oh my gosh. I hate scratchy things. Oh, I just scratched it, but that's okay. We'll do that later. And then this Momo. Oh my god. I always get Momo for the postcards, always, like, as you can tell. And I think for all of the Taste of Love postcards were Momo too. Okay, so there's that. Successful with Chaeyoung so far. And then we'll move on to this version, but we'll do these first. Okay. Oh my god, I did not see these. Oh my gosh. I don't know what Momo's on this comeback. Oops. Oh my gosh. Please just stay. Okay, anyways, my phone would not stay, but Momo. Sana. She's so gorgeous. Jihyo. I really, really like these outfits. I like this concept. Oh my god. Mina. Dahyun. Oh my god. Are we kidding? Chaeyoung. Chui. The group. Nice. Oh my gosh. Chaeyoung and Dahyun. Oh, I love those. I love these. Okay, let's get the inclusions out. The poster. Ooh, I like this poster. Let's get into this weird... Oh, the CD first. Oh, I love this CD. This is so cute. I might have to put up my CD frame again so I can frame this one. I really like that CD. But let's get into the weird unboxing again. Yes, but Nayeon, especially in this concept. Yes, this picture. Oh my god, when they released that picture. Oh my god, yeah, look at her. Oh my god. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, she's so cute. This concept kind of reminds me of like Valentine's Day, which reminds me, I really would like any group, preferably a group that I old already, but a group to do like a Valentine's Day concept. I don't think that has been done yet. It might be, but not any of the groups that I pay attention to. But I think a Valentine's Day concept would be really cool. Oh my god. With like Valentine's photo cards. Yeah, that'd be cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously? Dahyun's outfit here too. Oh my god. Dahyun has the best body in K-pop, to be completely honest. And Chui, oh my gosh. Who is cut off? Chaeyoung is cut off. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. She is so pretty. She is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I cannot take this right now. Alright. Oh. I did not mean to skip it. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's perfect. She's so perfect. Okay, let's see who we got. We got Dahyun. This is a pretty album. Oh my god. Dahyun. Nice. Okay, and then the polls will start with, oh, the stickers are the same. Nice. Ooh, we got Sana. Oh my god, her boots. Oh, I love this look. I'm not sure about the shirt, but yeah, that's a good outfit. Oh, and then we got Chewy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it does look like we get 2 cards. Oh, is that? No, that's Mina. That's Mina. Nice, Chewy Mina. Ooh, Chewy again. This is so cute. I love this photo card so much. She's so cute. Oh, Dahyun. Nice. So pretty. And then oh my god, Jihyo. Okay, and then the cards, we'll do this one. Changyeon. And Jihyo. Nice. Okay, let's look at this. I really hope to get Chaeyoung in any album. I want Chaeyoung of the Target. I didn't get her Okay, well, I spoke that into existence. Anyways, Chaeyoung's Target exclusive. Nice. Oh my god. I called that. That album's done. And then we'll do this one. Oh, no. Okay, well, we have Nayeon and Dahyun for this album. Didn't see that. Oh, what are these? Okay. No, we're good. Okay. The other photo cards. Shut up! Yeah, we got Chaeyoung again. This is the concept that I was most excited for, so I'm super happy I got her in this one. Okay, then we have one more in here. Somewhere. Oh, right here. I don't want to see it. Okay. Yes, this is my favorite concept, my favorite outfits, so I'm excited for this one. Yes. Oh my god. This is the one. This is the one. I love it so much. If I get Chaeyoung for this, like the random member thing, I'll cry. And then another pretty CD. Oh my gosh, I think this, like, music-wise, as well as, like, concept-wise, it might be my favorite Twice album. Everything's so pretty. Oh, yes! Oh my gosh. My absolute favorite. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to leave for work, like, in 10 minutes. Speed round, even more of a speed round. Is that damaged, or is that, like, just a picture? Okay, that is not damaged. That is a piece of confetti on her face. She's absolutely unreal. Oh my god, and Changyeon, she's so cute. I feel like this outfit would have been better without the hats, but I'm not a JYP stylist, so what do I know? And this Momo, I love her hair here. I think, I don't know, it just, everything about this concept is just perfect. And her boots, oh my god, Momo. Oh, I love this page. This is so cool. Yeah, okay. When I first saw this picture or saw this concept, I thought her necklace said feminist, and I was like, oh hell yeah. But it says scientist, so anyways, I was maybe a little disappointed. Jihyo, I love this jacket. They may have reused it from Itsy, but that's not the point. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Oh, she's so cute. And this Mina. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Oh my god, this one? I have a lot to say about her. And Dahyun, I love Dahyun's outfit. It's so cute. She's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is the love of my life. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Yeah, this is probably my favorite Twice album ever. This is like so weirdly cropped, but she looks pretty, so it's okay. As long as her face is there. And Chewy's outfit too. Look at her. Her smile. Oh. Oops, I skipped some. Wow. Nice. Nice. Oh my god, I knew it was Jihyo. I saw the brown. Okay, yeah, Jihyo for this one. And I just realized I didn't do the pre-order photo card, so we're gonna do that first right now. Oh my god, this one? She's so cute. Oh my god. Mina, I swear to god. She's so cute. Yeah, I really like this outfit on Chewy. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite Twice photo card ever. That's, oh my gosh. I cannot say it enough. I love this concept so much. Okay, but let's get into the inclusions. So we did already see Chaeyoung here, and Nayeon card, and then Dahyun. So we have all of these. Okay, I know this signature, Momo. Oh my god. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It does not look like we got Chaeyoung, but oh yeah, I got a Groupon. Nice, nice. Jihyo, Jungyeon. Oh my god. I'm pulling a lot of Jihyo. That's one thing. I always pull Jihyo. And oh my god, Mina. So we have both of Mina's cards. Nice. I really like this photo card though. I like this concept. I did see Chaeyoung's of that one already, so I'm hoping in the last album I can maybe pull it. Hopefully. But then we have the pre-order benefits. We have Momo again. That's okay. It should not be too hard to trade. Let's go one last time. Super speed round. Because I have to leave in 4 minutes and I'm not even ready. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god. These posters are so cute. They're all gonna have to go up. And let's look at the CD. Yes, I love this. I love this CD. And these colors remind me a lot of What Is Love. Oh, my favorite girls ever. I really like this outfit too. I'm not even looking at them, I'm just looking at their outfits. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. Oh. Momo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. She's so pretty. Oh. Oh my gosh, stop. These pictures are so cute. And this outfit, oh my god. This outfit was like made for her, I think. She looks so good in it. Like with her hair up and oh my gosh. She is so pretty. Can we just stop? She's so cute. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. Mina and her pretty moles. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. Oh. Yeah, I really like this outfit too. Like these outfits are perfect for them. But I really like these concept photos. I hope I can get more. Oh my gosh. More photo cards from this one in this album. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this hair on her. Oh my gosh. Chewy. The prettiest girl in the world. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, nice. Let's see the random member. We have Junghyun again. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the pre-order photo cards. We already saw these pre-order photo cards. Wait, this is not the right version. These ones. Here we go. Oh. She... I know I keep calling her cute, but look at her. She is so cute. So cute. Junghyun and Nayeon, that's not Nayeon. Junghyun and Jihyo. And Mina. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I like that concept a lot. Okay, let's go. Stickers. Chewy's postcard. Ooh, I see Chewy again. Oh my gosh. And then this one's facing up to Dahyun. Oh, it just says twice. So is it a group one? Oh my gosh. It is a twice one. A group one, I mean. Okay. And we did not get another Chang photo card. Oh. Okay, I'm not mad though. Look at that. And then Momo. Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up. That is such a nice photo card. I love that hair on her. Okay, I already have some. Yeah, we got Chaeyoung. We got at least one more Chaeyoung. And then I already got Sana, so I will trade this one for another Chaeyoung. And then this, we got Junghyun. Nice. So we got 2 Momo, Chaeyoung, and Junghyun for this. Okay, just a speed round to wrap it up because I'm in a hurry right now. Okay, so for the postcards, we got Chewy, we got Chaeyoung, we got Sana, and we got Momo. I keep hitting my phone, so just ignore the weird angles like all the time. But Chaeyoung, Chaeyoung and Junghyun, and Momo, and another Momo. So I'll probably trade for a Mina, honestly, because I am obsessed with Mina. But then to wrap that up, okay, then the photo cards that we have a whole lot of, because Twice gives us the most photo cards, I swear. Okay, so we have Nayeon, Mina, another Mina, the cutest Junghyun photo card ever, group, Dahyun, Chewy, oh my gosh, Chaeyoung, Momo, Sana, oh my gosh, Jihyo, Nayeon, another Nayeon, Dahyun, Jihyo, Mina, another group, Junghyun, Momo, those photo cards are so cute, Dahyun, Chewy, right there, Junghyun, Jihyo, Mina, Chewy, Sana. Is this the only Sana card I got? Wait, or am I blind? We have that Chaeyoung too. I just saw that one. I'm so confused. Did I not pull any other Sana photo cards? Other than these two? No, that sucks. I did not get any doubles though, which is honestly surprising. But these are the only 2 Sana photo cards I got, and there's a hair. So there's that. My photo cards. At least Chaeyoung made a few appearances. Like, I think I got the least amount of photo cards for Chaeyoung. But that's okay. We got her. But yes, thanks to Chaeyoung for making an appearance in this video. I need to leave for work. So thanks for watching this very rushed, probably very messy Twice unboxing of Formula of Love, if I could talk. But yeah, I'll be back with Monster X unboxings, NCT unboxings, Stray Kids, because they just announced a comeback, and The Boys, which I actually got today, but I don't have time, obviously, to unbox it. So yeah, I have a lot coming up within the next month. But here's Twice for now. Make sure you stream their album, because honestly, it is their best album ever, especially... Give me the track list. Where's the track list? Especially Icon and Moonlight and Cactus and Last Waltz. Last Waltz? Oh my god. And then Hello. If there's one song you're gonna listen to on this album, have it be Hello. I beg. That song is amazing. But anyways, yes, thanks for watching. Like I said, stream their album, watch their music video, vote, buy votes if you can, vote on Mama, obviously. Twice deserves all those awards. But yeah, thanks for watching. I need to go. Yeah, have a good day, good night, evening, afternoon, whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye.